What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
Hey, what's poppin', YouTube? Y'all know who it is, right? It's me, and I'm back with another banger. Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm about to put this hair up in the poof, and we about to get this hairstyle popping. This is on some 4C hair. It's gonna be a trying time, but we're gonna make it work. Alright, so shout out to all my people out there with that 4cc. You know, I got it myself. We a culture, baby. We a whole vibe. Let's get this hair tutorial popping. I really like this color green we got popping. Right now, I'm really stretching this thing out. It's about to do some aerobics on her hair. We stretching it out right now. This is not no pre-stretch. This is all original, no stretch, guaranteed. Oh man, it's that 4cc for real. I'm trying to tell you. Hey, look at this. Look at these sectionings. I got it down packed to a science. You gotta stab that in the back of their neck. Don't stab it though. Don't really stab it because you might go to jail. Alright, you can see it. We're taking these sections in the back that we just did, and we're going to put them in the smaller quadrants to get the hair in a specific order that's hanging off the head. As you can see, I got the gel on my hands to keep it from getting ashy. Every time I pass through a strand of hair, I rub it on my hands real quick. That's why I had to speed it up so you can't see. Alright, we're gonna freeze it right here. Somebody look at this ponytail. Jesus. Oh my God. Alright, and in this section, we're gonna focus on getting those square boxes in the back. We want the parts to be nice and even, flush on the scalp, so the braids can lay flat on the top of the client's head. Look at that. I actually gave you some vital information. Take note, baby, because I got a whole bunch. So bow. We're going to comb through this back section right here, and we're going to make sure it's held up by the comb on the top of that section. We're going to apply some of this ashy cream onto the hair. The ashy cream does not make the hair ashy. It prevents me from getting ashy. I'm tired of y'all bullying me about being ashy. I had enough. I've had enough. Alright, so here we go. We got the feed-in braid / box braid. Just so you know, this is not like the normal feed-in braids that I've taught you how to do before. These are floating feed-in braids. They're not attached to the scalp. They are not attached to the scalp. Hey, check this out. I know y'all peeped that new intro I got. I had to do a little remodeling around here, get some things swept up and clean, and now I'm a whole new person. Hey, tell me what you think in the comment section below. I would love to hear your opinions. Let's get back to this tutorial though, because this 4cc ain't gonna braid itself. Y'all see what we did. We took them little trees and we're gonna start putting the hair around it. This is how you get that knotless effect. You don't want no knots, right? So pay attention, peep the game. Look at that little tree. It's growing. It's got the roots. That 4cc is sprouting. Man, this hair is beautiful, baby. It's 4cc. Us 4cc's that gotta stick together, you feel me? We can't be out here alone. Show support for all your 4cc hair people out there, because they get highly mistreated in this world. I know y'all peep these sectionings. These things are crispy. I got the butter knife in the back. I got the butter knife to get them clean slices, baby. It's cutting through like butter. If y'all want a tutorial, just comment down in the comment section below and I'll get them tutorials out there popping, because these sections are nice. Alright, this is the finished product. I know y'all see this heavy creamer on there. It's good to keep them things fresh. You want to kickstart your morning with that heavy creamer, just like your coffee. Put it in your hair, it'll keep you going all day. Alright, I'm about to go step off and go get me one of these paper do-rags, one of these breakaway do-rags. We about to lay it on the client's scalp. We can't reach the scalp, honestly. We about to just put it on the forehead, and we're gonna wrap these edges and these flyaways and lay them down. You gotta wrap up after surgery always, because we just did some work on these braids. Check them out. Alright, you already know what time it is. I had to go get that kettle, heat up that water, add that flavor to these braids. Make sure you dip it like this. You gotta saturate it throughout. We want these to be all flavorful braids. You got to do it to both sides. Run your finger through it just to make sure everything is saturated. Bow. We got the finished product right here, baby. Look at them braids. Oh, man. Oh, she camouflaging. She's camouflaging. She in one with the wilderness. Oh man, yeah girl, feel them braids. That's what I'm talking about. She can go on a cabin trip and not have to worry about no bear attacks. Instant camouflage. Hey, what's poppin'? I'm glad y'all was able to join me on this journey to get this beautiful look, this wilderness vibe, this we blending in with everything that's green vibe. We about to make it pop. You know how we do it. Hey, if y'all really like that intro, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below. If you don't like it, leave a comment. Tell me what you think. It's a new look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again. It's also I got a new channel. Go check that out. Had to slide that in there. I'm out, baby. Swing that thing.
What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?